Hello guys and welcome to a new video. In this video we will play the Sapling again. It's the second video, 1 week from the first video. I know I didn't disappear. Wait, I'm filming this 1 week after, but will I also post 1 week after? I don't know. So again, we are playing the Sapling, or how I like to call it, Spore on steroids, and let's load our word, and yeah, boom. Okay. So wait, before we start, I want to tell you guys that this video I will try to make it less boring, but also it's an evolution game. If you don't like long documentaries that are like, yeah, you're not in the good place. So let's start. So first, what I didn't really show last video is that there the pie really started to like grow in water, and this is okay for me, but like this makes the creatures that like started to walk on land like stay in this place. Yes, what I said. Look at this guy. Tell me you don't like this guy. Yes, I like this guy. Like, look at this guy. This guy. Oh my god, it teleported already, did I? Yeah, so they live here because it's easy to get the seeds from Oda Pie. Also, I was thinking and let's also check, because in last video I said that these ones from here and the ones that were on the mountain are the same, and I can't really be 100% sure until I do. I just show plants, and wait, there are actually a lot of plants. Wait, can I see the like map of the? Oh, yeah. So I think I said it wrong. I'm not sure, but this plant will 100% migrate to this shore because they're really close. Also, let's see what my favorite guys are doing, because I haven't really checked, because I have played for like 3 minutes to check some things, and I can find them. Wait, where are they? Oh my god, this camera is bad. Vessel, if you see this, please change its camera. Where I can't find any of them. Two alive? Wait. Huh? When did this guy became like? I know I've been like in here for like another, I don't know how many years, but how did it like get so low? And wait. Okay, a lot of species I know, but wait, there are not a lot of life right now. What's happening? Extinction event? Did a new... Yes, a new Epoch A. New Epoch A. Okay. Okay, I guess. Yeah. So I guess that guy, I guess. I don't know. I don't want it to die, but also I want to reintroduce it if it dies because that wouldn't be fair. But where are they? Like, wait, they have behavior. If you see, applause. Applause, they have good behavior. If you see food, go towards it. There. There is the place where I can find the last Oda pies, not in their old ecosystem. I guess they accidentally migrated here. Or something like this. Okay, I really can't find them. Yeah, it's weird how they started to die. Like, there were a lot of them. Did they die? We just die. Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Oh my god, it died. How did they die? Oh my god, how did they die? How, why did everybody die at the start of the video? Oh my god, okay. This is... Well, I guess like most of species died. I don't know why. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you? Oh my god. Oh my god. You kidding me? You actually kidding me? These guys are on land? You telling me? Oh my god. Let's get some good angles because I will need to take some screenshots after I record from the recording because it's easier that way. Bruh, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, guess. Okay. I guess we just need to let the simulation go. Wait, you know what? Let's do it this way. Okay, guys, so we are close to the 6 mile linear, like, and oh, yep, they just killed every plant that lived here. They just needed to do that. These guys, and I guess now the plants only live here, where I don't think they can walk here. Wait. Yeah, I don't see where, I don't know where I can see the walkability, but I don't think it's pretty good there, so I guess the ones that evolved to walk will have a little bit of a harder time. What is this thing? What is this abomination? What? What's that abomination? Oh my god. Where did that thing Oh my god. Oh my. Okay. Nah. If that thing, if this thing continues to evolve and becomes the main species, nah, I'm nuking this whole planet. Bro, that thing, nah. The other guys, okay, they were weird. These guys, okay, they are okay. Those guys, no, no. I'm nuking the entire planet. The Celsian plant. Oh my god, it's starting to become plant. Are plants at least still growing? Like, in any part are there plants? Wait. Okay, here they like die, but they started to grow again. In other parts, cause like, oh yeah, this part of the ocean. What is the ecosystem in this part? Like, is that? Do creatures actually just live there? Bro, there are no creatures or predators. Plants could easily live here, but no, they need to stay in here. I mean, there is like, oh, okay, you know what? This doesn't make any sense. Oh, what? And of course, this part is full of. Okay, what's happening? This is a bug. Yep, pretty sure. I want to. Oh my god, what's this? What's that? Anyway, what's this? What's this? What is this? Okay, they get eaten, but they in general eat plants. Interesting, I guess. Behavior, nothing. And they live in here. Okay, so I guess these guys really like living in here. And these guys are mostly the same, but they can walk. In here is pretty dead. Even oh, so I think that because there's no algae, the need for them to like their needs like food needs like couldn't get really. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm seeing. Oh, and wait, no, this not a plant. There's plants just there, but they can evolve here. Like, look, they're so close. They're close. Oh my god. The game starts to be buggy. And I guess the simulation is already pretty big, so. And this is a big word, so. And also the camera doesn't like me. We already established that in the past video. Yeah, I guess we just like wait here. Yeah, I guess here is a pretty good place. No, let's wait like on this shore. If I could just or I will just go underwater in here. And this looks pretty interesting to me. Okay, guys, we are in the 7th millennia, so we can start fasting. And I see they're mostly the same. Oh, okay, the trees have started to go up. Oh, they and so Allah. Did they add change to Allah instead of Popeye? Allah. Well, I guess Allah is better. I mean, the leaves are. Wait, let's see the stats. 40. Wait. Huh? I don't. Oh, Allah is completely new. Okay. You know, evolution is weird. Oh my god, what happened there? Editor, sound effect. Oh my god, what happened there? There's an entire forest in here. Oba. Oh my god, Oba looks so. Looks so cute. Oh my god, this forest is so. Okay, I guess this green. No green. And okay, I guess. Of course, they evolved here a lot because like there's no animals no more in here. Nobody gonna eat you. But I know there is gonna be some wanderers that will come here and change everything. Until then, we got this part that is unreachable to most. I mean, the low, when the seeds come, they can still survive it. But I don't know. Okay, those guys, okay, I like them, but by amount. If we look just at the animals that are alive, by not by party or by amount, without extinct. These guys, the what are these guys? I don't like them. Okay, these guys are cool. I like them. Wait. How? How? Where do they live? Oh my god, what is happening in that place? Oh, where's the red ones now? So they can run on land when the predators are near. Okay, I guess that's. No, I can't. Finally, something. Okay, they're starting to become smart. I don't like them smart. I like them dumb. I like the dumb. This is the Cambrian explosion. Wait, let's stop. Let's stop time so we have better chances of like finding the ones with chicken legs, if there are still. Just like there were not a lot of them. So this place is like big mouth. Everybody's got the same big mouth, and like because of the ring system, of course this is gonna happen because like they can't really close, and because they a lot of, I saw that some species evolved the trait to like go away from cold. Yeah, there's no chance this comes from the water. I mean, it comes to the other place, but in here, yeah, I don't give plants a big chance of surviving. Did a new Epoch appear, or are there the same epochs as before? No, e Epoch C. So this Epoch B was a really like not that big Epoch, but now with this Cambrian explosion thingy. But where is the one with like the legs? I want to see that. Are they still alive? Wait, let's do it reversed so the ones that are not. Look, there they are. Where do they live, Isma? There. Oh, I was looking there, but they're actually there. I think I was looking in a bad place. Yes. Another island. Oh my god, what is waiting for me in here? The algae, I won't even say anything about them. There are too many species, too many colorations nowadays. I see. I see no anymore. Okay, there are. Okay, let's just. Yep. These guys are perfect for land. If they just could migrate, that would be like all they needed. But it's too cold for them. Oh my god, I just want to see the one with like chicken legs. Is that too much to ask? Yeah. Oh my god, they are even here. No. Eat them. Kill them. I don't care. Just. Oh my god, I hate them. Yeah, we've all that for nothing, basically. Damn, guys, you're so perfect for this, but also. Yeah. So I guess you can't really see the chicken legged one. Just normal legged one. And it's okay. I already know it exists. If I can't find one, well, that's my skill issue. Or my bad luck, I guess. Oh my god, the lights. Yeah. Anyways, I think we can... In here. Okay, we didn't really check this place for life. Is there life in... Yes, of course it is. Oh, these guys look like the ones from the island. So I guess that. So I guess it's that part of the ocean is... Okay, this is a big ocean with no land next to it. So if there's... Oh my god, this camera. If the, if there is anything living here, well, kind of sad for it. Anyways, let's... I mean, not sad for it, but like... It wouldn't be able to really... So, still no animals in here? Yup. I think we can just like sit here for the next millennia and we will see. Okay, I said I was waiting for... There is grass! There is grass! Oh my god, this is the first time grass appeared. Oh my... Is that by decent grass? Wait. Bruh, I just can't, bro. I just can't. Oh my god. I love this so much. Plants. Can I see the plants that are like... No, I can see grass. I guess grass is just the same thingy. But yeah, it evolved. Now there's grass. Okay, let's just wait. This is just them. Okay, we are close to the 8th millennia. Let's just wait again. You know what? Okay, now we are close. Very close. Okay, so the plants on the mountain are like really. Oh, they started new. They found a new shit. Wait, do I head, nose, eyes? Okay, so this continent is like the. I can see greener. Greener is such a thing for like to say with art. Purple. See, it's like so alien. And like there's no animal species there. They're in here a lot. Why can't you go a little bit closer to the here so you can eat all you want? It's not that hard. It's really a skill issue. Okay, weird grass in here, weird grass. And of course, no animals. Oh my god, how can you have so much skill issue at thriving? Like this is what you do, you're alive. Oh my god, what's happening? Okay, let's see what happened here. First, this guy that lives on land. Now, of course I can't really see him because he's sleeping. But I guess let's find another one. Okay, these guys are they are the same, I think. Wait, not let's just let it. This is Naples. This live. Yeah, these are actually driving things. But oh my god, they look okay. How am I supposed to exit that thing? Because I'm not getting it. Yeah, the same thing. The weird eye guys, I don't see them here. Oh, and I know there are more species. And yes. Oh no, no. What? Yeah, yeah. These guys. Oh my god, I love these guys. Not that guy, but this guy. Oh my god, I love him. Look at this guy. Oh, he's so cool. They may love their. Oh my. Oh, it's such a beautiful flipper. Oh, ugh. Oh my god, I love them. I love them so much. They're the best. But they. Oh my god, he really likes to appear in my video. In here, there are these guys, and oh, there was that guy. That was okay. So I guess not that much love. In here, did somebody? No, bro. So the middle is such a driving place, but in rest, like nobody is anywhere. Like if the creature in here, there are the. Okay, so I see that these guys or guys similar to them are like really the ones that. How did that guy get here? Oh my god. Anyways, if we go to family. Yeah, they just like went. The silly guys. I love the silly guys. You guys, I think you love the silly guys. I think everybody likes the silly guys. They're the silly guys. Let's look by amount that are still alive. These guys are really like having a good time, having a good time. Yeah, I love this. The others, uh, this guy. I like this guy. What's that? Oh my god. Ew. No, no, I want that guy today. I seriously want that guy today. By birth here. Who's the oldest? This guy. And these guys that are actually pretty good. Okay, you know what? The epochs, let's check them because in the last time, like, a lot of evolutions and species disappeared. Is there a new? Yes, so Epoch A had these guys. Okay. Epoch B, I can't say anything. Epoch C, these were the guys, and Epoch D. Oh my god, what's that? What's that? What's that? I don't like that. Yes! Okay, okay. You know how to walk. No, you died. Bruh, you just need to get here. You know what? Let's check the also the plant. Right when I wanted to check the plants, man. Damn. Anyways. So, why is there no grass in? Yeah, okay. I guess this, the Wabaria really like shines. Well, it has leaves. The seed is that specialized seed? Well, let me see if it's a specialized seed. Wait, is that this seed or is that this seed? I don't know. I don't know. I seriously don't know. Still good. I see the grass. Wait. Wait, does this mean there stop being enough nutrients? Yes, there stop being nutrients. Oh, next video will be a fun video. Oh, I don't need this. Well, we're at Millennia 8 and I think it's been a pretty crazy video, so I will leave you guys at here because of the nutrient needed here. I have a plan for the next video and it's pretty like weird. I mean not weird, but it like it needs an entire video. So if you like it, like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and also if you want to name things from this word, look at the form that the QR code is on right there somewhere on the, I think in the middle of the screen, or in the not comment section, in the description. And also if you really want something that I didn't put in there, like a species or something like this, just put it in the comments, and if you get, I don't know, 10 likes from other people, I will do it. So yeah, bye bye.